Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pixel Cube Graphics, and in this video we are learning about Wrape Tool and Disort Tool. Now we are drag some images. Adjust the image and press Ctrl T and right click and select Disort Tool and set image in LED screen. We can set our images and path using Disort tool. Now we are get a wrap tool. Right click and click on wrap. Click on image edges and easily move it according to LED screen. Our disort and wrap tool use is complete. Now we can try to create 3D effect. So I have get one more image. I have give minor drop shadow on tiger image using blending mode. Friends, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share and like my videos for more updates.